For the next couple of days in class, you're going to be working on an activity called Taco Cart.
So I'm there on the beach with my friend Ben when we notice a taco cart up the road. Ben wants to walk straight over, but I'm thinking we walk a lot slower in the sand than we do on the street. So I say we walk straight to the street and then down the street to the cart. So we went our separate ways.
All right, the problem is who will get to the taco cart first. Based off of the video you just watched, you don't know enough information to be able to solve that problem. So go ahead and take a few minutes to just think through different pieces of information that you might need in order to solve this problem. So there's two main pieces of information that you need to solve this problem. The first one is the distances or the dimensions that they're walking. Okay, so it gives you the distance from where they start straight to the road and then down the road to the taco cart. And that's enough information to know your dimensions. The other piece of information that you need is the speed that they walk. On the street, they walk 5 feet per second, and in the sand, they walk 2 feet per second. Now, knowing those two things, you can now solve this problem. So, what you're going to do is you're going to work with a partner to solve this problem. And so today, on Monday in class, you are working it out together. Tomorrow, on Tuesday, you are going to finish working it out, and then you're going to create a video working through the problem and explaining it. And on Wednesday, we're going to show these videos in class. So make sure that this is neat and organized. Okay, so here's some instructions specifically for your video. You're going to use the Show Me app that is on your iPad, and you're going to create a new video. You can upload pictures if you want, so you can get the pictures of the distances and the speeds if you would like. They are on Canvas. And as you work through it, you need to start from not knowing any information, and you need to work through the whole problem and explain each step. So this type of explanation is not just saying what you're writing down. You need to explain why you're doing it. And you need to explain it in a way that a 7th grader who has not done this activity yet and won't be doing it until next year can understand. Make sure you state both you and your partner's names in the video, and like I said, work through the whole problem. Both of you need to have an equal amount of effort and work put into this. And you need to have an equal amount of time in the video. So that means that both partners are talking the exact same amount. So you need to take turns talking. So make sure that as I'm watching the video, I can tell that both of you put effort and work into this problem. Once it's completed, you're going to save it to the class that I have set up within the Show Me app using this code OUF1, and you're going to save it to your Google Drives. The last bit of this is how it's being graded. There's a rubric that is on your instruction sheet, and it's on Canvas that shows you exactly how I'm going to grade this. So there's 5 different categories, and each category has different point values, and depending on how much work is put in and how complete and precise it is, depends on how many points you'll get. And there's also going to be peer evaluations as you do your videos. Your peers are going to have the rubric and they're going to grade you also. That will consist of 30% of your grade. So I'm going to take all your evaluations, and I'm going to average them, and that'll be part of your grade. But the majority of it is going to be based off of my grading that I'm doing on it. All right, go ahead and get to work now.